Hello everyone. Thank you for joining with me towards healthy happier life. So I'm so happy and very excited to show my journey towards health. So let's celebrate these things. So today we can make some sweet dish. Okay, how can we make sweet dish without sugar, milk, oil, butter, right? Still we can make sweet dishes. We can make two types of laddu today using the same wheat flour, but you can use any flour instead of wheat flour, ragi flour or any millet flour.
Wow, can you see this? How delicious this is a sesame seed laddu. See how it is very beautiful. See, this is peanut laddu. Peanut laddu is very rich in protein, so it also came out very nice and it tastes very good. So for this laddus, I have taken here wheat flour, 3 cups of wheat flour. But you can take 1.5 cup if you are making only one type of laddu. So dry roast this till it get like a golden brown. So can you see this? It's golden brown. It will take time. You have to roast it. See, this is the raw flour and this is the roasted one. Can you see the difference? Okay, so let's start with one laddu, sesame seed laddu. For that, we need half a cup of almond. Dry roast this till it get little brown, darker brown. So dry roast it and take this out in a plate and let it be cool. So next is a quarter cup of sesame seed. Careful with this because it will turn very fast. Brownish, so they do it fast and take out in a plate. See, and keep this in a side, and we will keep ready with the cardamoms, and I have freshly grounded this. So for the mixer jar, I am going to add this almonds, roasted almonds, and grind this coarse grind. No, don't make it powder. See, you can make even thicker one, so it will be tasty. So next thing is we have to add 10 to 12 dates in a mixer jar and grind this, and remember to take out the seeds from that. So to that we can add fresh coconut. So grind that, and the thickness should be like this. It will blend together and it will become like this. It shouldn't be paste. Okay, so keep that in a side, and in a vessel I have taken some water and I have add 2 cups of jaggery here. So this is for 2 laddus. So what I am making here is first I am going to strain this. So boil till it melt, the jaggery should melt, and then strain it. Sometimes the dust will be there, so this one we have to boil and till it should get one string consistency. See, I will show you what is one string consistency. If you take it in a finger, it should come one string. See, like this. I like softer laddu, so I made this one string. Actually, this is not one string, it should come proper thin layer. If you want, you can do that. Okay, this also you keep in a side. So we will start with making sesame seed laddu. What we have to do is like take 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Uh, to that add the crushed almonds and dates and coconuts which we have grinded. So for this, and half a teaspoon of cardamom, and mix well properly. For this you have to take jaggery syrup. Uh, in a tablespoon I have taken here around 10 spoon, but it might require lesser or more. So what you have to do is take some amount of jaggery syrup and mix and check if it is not enough, and you can add some more syrup. So I am taking here like that, and I'm mixing and checking whether it is able to make laddus or not. So 10 spoons means it will take like a half cup of syrup. Okay, then mix properly. See, now I think this consistency is perfect. Yeah, if you mix, then only you'll get to know. Yeah, see, I think, yeah, we can make laddus with that. So make laddus. Let's start with laddus, and I have made so many laddus here and delicious, yummy. Sesame seed laddus are ready. See, it's very delicious. I tasted it. It was very good. So next thing we will start peanut laddus. For that we have to roast peanuts. So dry roast this. See, it now it's roasted. So take this in a plate and keep it aside. And next thing you have to add is poppy seed. 2 tablespoon poppy seed. Very careful because it will burn fast. So remove fast. So quickly you have to remove it from tawa. It's hot, that's why. So now it's ready. So in a mixer jar I'm going to grind these peanuts, but it should be like a coarse grind. Don't make it paste or thinner. If it is more thicker, that will be more good, like it tastes better. Like this, it should be like this. So then we will start making peanut laddus. For this 1.5 cup of wheat flour I am taking here, and to this we have to add peanuts, the roasted peanuts, and poppy seeds. So half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix together. So mix together properly. Again what I am doing is adding the jaggery syrup. So how much it requires, that much you have to add. It takes around 8 to 9 tablespoon according to your thickness. You can see how sometimes it may require more or less. So check. Slowly you have to add a little more, like 2 spoons syrup, and then mix and check. For me it took 10 tablespoon, that is half a cup of jaggery syrup. So see, okay, now the consistency is perfect. I think little more thinner it got. If I have added little 1 spoon lesser, it will be better. That's fine. So we can make laddus. See how it came out, very nice. See the laddus. Wow, I like laddus. Okay, and we can make all of these laddus. So these are like protein rich, and you can have this occasionally, because sweet items we should not have every day. We can have it occasionally, once in a week. See, it came out very perfect, nice, beautiful.
So how was it? It's easy, right? And it's easy, tasty, and healthy too. You can also make these laddus. It's very easy. Let me know in the comment how it turned out. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste. Yay.